What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at a brand new Hot Wheels Premium Team Transport set. Now, if you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend by the way, then you know normally I do show a little bit more diecast stuff in one video, but for today I decided to focus only on this set because this casting is kind of special. And yeah, in a few moments I will tell you why, and I will show you the other versions of this casting. So first of all, what have we got? We have our race car, which is the Sauber-Mercedes C9, and our hauler is the Fleet Flyer. Let's take a quick look at the car lot. We see our Fleet Flyer and our Sauber Mercedes race car on, yeah, kind of a racetrack. Pretty nice. This is the backside where you can see the other sets of this Team Transport case. I already got this one, I will get this one, and we'll do a separate video about those. Today we're gonna focus on these two. So yeah, I already cut this open because it's a lot of plastic. So let's get this stuff out. And yeah, let's take a quick look at our Fleet Flyer. Nothing too special, as you can see. It has yeah, kind of the same livery as our race car. Unfortunately, it isn't Mercedes branded, which would have been cool. You know, sometimes, by the way, here in the background, you can see sometimes they do this branding, Shell, Alfa Romeo, whatever. No Mercedes star on our hauler. Yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they had some problems with the licensing. I don't know. But the hauler is not that important. Today we're going to focus on this guy here. So yeah, this is one of my favorite Hot Wheels Premium castings because I think it's a very cool or unique looking race car. And I really like these lensed headlights. This one has a pretty interesting livery. I tried to find out a little bit about that. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what exactly this is. I read something about a test car or something. Anyways, looks pretty nice. We have our windshield banner, which is yeah, pretty cool. We have a Mercedes-Benz lettering on our wing. Mercedes star in the front, and yeah, this is also kind of special. We don't have too many premium castings with opening parts, and on this one here, this is yeah, we can remove the engine cover, which is kind of cool. It doesn't sit too good here on the back. Normally it does snap in, but as you can see here on this one, yeah, pretty loose, falls off. I mean, you know, you can complain a little bit about the quality of these models. I mean, if you buy single packs of Hot Wheels premium cars, you pay around 10 euros here in my area. Such a Team Transport set costs you 20 euros. I mean, it's a lot of money. And yeah, also, if you take a close look at the paint, I mean, we see a lot of pixels, which, yeah, I mean, it's a little bit of a disappointment. Now you can say, okay, you don't have to buy these Hot Wheels car. You can buy, I don't know, other brands like Mini GT. I have a lot of Mini GTs, I know that. But yeah, you know, sometimes, yeah, it's kind of an addiction. An addiction to buy these Hot Wheels models, although the quality is sometimes not the best. But yeah. Anyways, it's a pretty nice casting. And yeah, I wanted to show you the other versions of this casting. So the first version that we saw was this guy here. I think this guy was the winning car of Le Mans, 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1989. I mean, this is looking pretty cool. And then we saw second version, also with a very, very cool livery, kind of, yeah, shows the layout of a circuit board or something pretty nice. I think this ranked second on the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1989. And yeah, this livery, I couldn't find out anything about this. If you know, write it in the comments. I'll be interested in that. Now, okay, I told you that this casting is kind of special. It's not only the look and that you have an opening part. You couldn't get one of these in single packs. So the first version, let's put this to the side, our silver Sauber C9, oops, was only available in this diorama set. I mean, in my opinion, this card definitely is the highlight of the set. Yeah, I bought it. As you can see, I also bought a second set only because of this model. I mean, this carry-on hauler is not the best. I don't like the color of the 300SL, and I'm also not a huge fan of this one. But yeah, I had to have the C9. And now I know that some people are thinking about investing in a die-cast. In general, I don't think that's a very good idea, but if you think about something like that, and if you want to do that, I mean, such a car, I guess, can increase in value because, you know, you only could get it in this set, and yeah, you had to pay the whole price only to get this car. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend investing in diecast just for, you know, financial profits or something. But yeah, I mean, it's not the baddest thing if your collection keeps its value or maybe increases in value. You never know what happens. So anyways, okay, this is this set, and this very nice version was also only available in such a diorama set, and here it is. I mean, this isn't too bad. I really like the Audi, and yeah, the Lamborghini Essenza, first I didn't really like it, but in the meantime, it has grown on me. I mean, I don't know. I think these are completely different cars, and it's a pretty weird set with the title Track Day, in my opinion. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically all I had to say. So let's take a final look at our models. Really nice. I think it's really cool. You know, there are only 3 versions. I have all 3 of them, and that is pretty cool in my opinion. So that's it for today's video. I hope you did like it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.